super init outside today. So, just relaxing. Today it's Friday. Ate, gusto ko super yung pula niya.
Hindi masyadong mapulang ang namin.
Ang ganun. Dapat pala nagdala ako sarili ko.
Hindi masyadong mapulang.
I'm having a nail manicure. Because it's so tiring. I'm so tired. My back is so aching. Like as if I had shit. My spine is painful. I don't know what happened to me. So yeah, I need to relax myself.
Yan mo. Hindi masyadong mapulang.
Kaya nga parang pink lang ano. Gusto ko kasi yung super red. Alam mo naman ako, addict ako sa red. So everyone, today is Friday, tomorrow is weekend, so enjoy your weekends, enjoy your day with your friends, family, sweethearts. Those who have sweethearts, good for you. Okay, next time. Anyhow, you know there's a ice cream stand in ano bang mall yan, ate?
Ano po?
Yan.
Victory Mall.
Yeah, at Victory Mall I discovered there is at Victory Mall beside the Cathedral Church. At the basement, there's an ice cream stand there. It's Hershey. And it's so good. Shucks. Ouch. It's so good. Yeah, I love it. So, yeah. To all of you, enjoy your weekends, okay? TikTok and TikTokers. I love you all. And have a nice Friday night. To all the teenagers, go on disco. Time for drinking. Time for relaxing. Ciao everyone. Love you.